After weeks of hype and anticipation, OnePlus finally announced the new OnePlus 9 series, with the star of the show being the OnePlus 9 Pro and of course the Hasselblad collaboration. The OnePlus 9 Pro did gain some noticeable improvements over the 8 Pro, but is it really worth the shocking $1069 USD asking price for it? I'll tell you my thoughts on this launch as a current OnePlus 8 Pro user. Okay, let's get started. With the launch of the OnePlus 9 Pro, they introduced several minor upgrades over the 8 Pro, such as the new LTPO variable refresh rate display, faster wired and wireless charging, and a new chipset. These are all welcome additions, but reviewers have already started pointing out issues with stuttering while scrolling through apps, which is a huge disappointment considering that OnePlus is known for the software. But anyways, that's not what you're here for. The cameras were the biggest hype in this event, and let's just say they fell short of their goal. This is their first year collaborating with Hasselblad, and because this is the first device they've worked on together, they've only fine-tuned the color science of the images with OnePlus. Early reviews from big YouTubers reveal that the colors are just more natural and muted, with the iPhone and Samsung still taking the lead. The telephoto cameras are still bad, and there aren't any major improvements to the camera. Now, with that disappointment, here's the problem. They're selling this for $1069 USD when the 8 Pro has dropped to $699 USD. There is definitely not much of an upgrade from the 8 Pro to the 9 Pro, and I don't think you need the features of the 9 Pro, especially with the much higher cost premium. That being said, I don't think you should buy the OnePlus 8 Pro either because of long-term use issues, which I will talk about in my 1-year review of the OnePlus 8 Pro, which is coming soon. Please consider subscribing if that's something you're interested in. Anyways, I think that the OnePlus 9 at a launch price of only $769 USD is a much better value. You're still getting the same fancy new freeform ultra-wide lens and the main sensor from the 8 Pro, which is almost as good as the 9 Pro. You also get the same performance and features with the new Warp Charge 65T and the new chipset. The only thing you are losing out on is the new LTPO display, ultra-fast wireless charging, and a not-so-good telephoto camera. This is definitely a much better buy considering that you're saving $300. And that's all I have to say for this video. I am pretty disappointed of the overhyping of the OnePlus 9 series, especially as a die-hard OnePlus fan. I hope I helped you guys make a better purchase decision today, so a subscribe and a like would be greatly appreciated. And lastly, stay safe and see you guys later.